Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in to your Sainsbury credit card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by pressing that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box at the top, type in www.sainsburysbank.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site for your Sainsbury bank, in order to access your credit card service, you'll need to log in, or if you don't have an account yet for Sainsbury's online banking, you'll need to register to a new account. Click on this login/register button at the top right, and this will bring up several menus from where you can choose to register or log in. In today's video, since we are trying to log in and access the credit card service, let's click on this login button under cards, loans and savings. Once you give it a click, you'll need to go ahead and enter your login details. Enter the username associated with the Sainsbury's online banking account. If you've forgotten your username, you can get help by clicking on this forgotten your username link beneath and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your username. If you'd like the system to remember your username in this particular device, check this remember me box beneath, but leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared computer. Now, head over to the next field where it says mobile number and enter the last 3 digits of your mobile number in the boxes, and you'll be able to receive a one-time passcode sent to your mobile number registered with your online banking account. Click the continue button and on the next page enter the one-time passcode that you received. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to access to your Sainsbury's online banking account. Simply go ahead and click the credit card tab in order to access your credit card online for Sainsbury. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.